Oh, so today we are looking at the new, well, new to me. It's been out for a little bit. The new Insta360 Mic Air. So one of the nice things about these, of course, is Insta360 has been kind of making some new external mics for their cameras. Of course, the Mic Air should be capable of attaching really to, the Ace Pro, to the X5, I believe even like the X4 and everything like that that supports a USB mic input. So this could be really nice, plus small. So we're going to do just an unboxing to show what comes in the box here this morning. And then what we're going to actually do is just get a quick in the studio office kind of just sound test to see what this would sound like, of course, if it was attached to an X5. In a future video, we will take this out on the motorcycle just to see how this actually sounds um, with all kinds of like wind noise and things like that. Anyways, this is here. Anyway, there's my X5. This is the Mic Air box right here. So what you'll see, what does it say? A whole bunch of stuff in a different language in the box. So that makes it a little more difficult for me to read, just to be honest with you. Now, my guess is, of course, this was sent to me from Insta360. So my guess is that they probably have different boxes depending maybe on your location and where you actually live. There is some stuff. Coin size and ultra light, high quality audio, one piece noise one press noise canceling. And that's kind of it. Again, some stuff on the back. So it does have some English, I guess, on the top. So transmitter, this is a receiver, charging cable. So I guess I was wrong. So different languages without images, right? Charging cable, button magnet. You get a little lanyard, some other stuff. We'll see it when we open. Yes, yeah. Anyways, this is in the box. Yes. So you're gonna get a user manual. Pretty good size user manual, of course. Different languages, so you guys can figure out how this actually works. Now, I don't even know 100% if this will work just being Bluetooth to it, or if it requires the actual receiver. The receiver may be, and again, I'm not 100% sure, maybe for using it with cameras that don't have that ability to Bluetooth to this. Anyways, nice little case. Oh, I like that. Comes with a nice little case. My guess is that the case has everything in it that you and I would require for this. Doesn't look like there's anything else in there. Very cool. Let's just put this out to the side. There's the little case. I like that. That's nice. Nice little hard case with a little spot that you can attach this, right? You could possibly attach this to your, if you have a carabiner, if you have like some kind of keychain ring on there, but nice. That's nice. Okay, and flip this over. And inside here, we're going to get all of our goodies. So there is your magnet. That would be your mic. That would be your actual receiver. So that's your transmitter. And inside this side, you are going to get, oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a little wind muff for riding on the actual motorcycle or whatever. Plus you get a little button for being able to power it up. So they actually make sure it's on properly. So one looks like both sides. Very cool. You get the USB-C. This is your charger. So a bunch of stuff here. This is your charger. So nice little disc style charger, just like your Apple Watch and things like that. Also very similar to, let's say, the older GPS remote, the one without the mic. It has this little same kind of sit-in spot. So that's kind of cool. And you have a little neck thing. So if you just want to kind of hang this right on there, nice as well. Plus you get a little one for clipping, right? So if you want to clip this on. So if you look at this, of course, here, this is the mic. So again, there's your little adapters, right? It just kind of snaps on. Very cool. There's the little button right there for, my guess would be turning it on. Plus, I think that's the only button. There's the actual, you guys can see it. There's the actual mic part. That's the button that looks like it's a power button. It also probably turns the noise reduction on. But single button, that's cool. As well as I'm thinking you can check your battery on that. Maybe it lights up. There's your little pendant for having this actually mounted. So you could just kind of click that on, have that hanging wherever you need it. That's cool. And Where did I put that little flippy one? Oh, there it is. It's on the bottom of the case. It's that kind of day already, right? Anyways, this same thing. You get the little disc area where you can see that it mounts. And then this kind of just sits on there. You can turn that however you're going to have this placed, right? So the mic is actually pointing up at you. Okay, that's cool. That's all right. Whoa, that's a good magnet. That's a good magnet. Anyways, let's just slide that stuff over there. We'll put you here. So my first question is with this, do you actually require the receiver part inside here? So if we actually bring the, I think it's this way. No, this way. So if we come in here and go into, let's just see, voice control, could be under accessories. Yes, Bluetooth. Okay, so let's try Bluetooth. Okay, we're going to click on that Bluetooth remote, Bluetooth headset in mini or microphone. So let's go in here. It says it's searching. So I'm going to turn this on because maybe you don't even need it when there's a little light. Okay, so it does have the little Bluetooth. Let's just get it to refresh. Now, again, I don't know if it just wants to auto pair with its receiver just to see, but we'll find out. So my guess is possibly, right? It needs that little adapter in there. That's probably what it's connected with. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I found my office TV. That's not what we want. Okay. All right. That's all right. I'm down. So let's try this little receiver thing. So this is going to go in here, right? And it should just slide. Now, I don't know which side has a light on it. My guess is it doesn't really matter. So we'll just snap that in there. Okay. And yeah, okay. So you can see it here, right? It's got the little lights on there. And this connected. Yes? All right. Very cool. So nice and connected. And this automatically switched to external microphone. So you can turn on gain adjustment if you want. But that's all. Okay. All right. So I'm down. Let's try this nice and simple. I'm just going to put this over here. Now, here's the one thing I do kind of like, and you get the little mic thing, which is nice, is that because this attaches to its own device, and because the device, the actual receiver, is actually inside the Insta360, bonuses, of course, is that it doesn't really require time for it to have to pair itself, right? So I'm going to take this. We'll clamp this on there. Microphone up. Did I put it on backwards? No. Okay. Again, early. It's early. I have this backward. There we go. Cool. Excellent. And now what we need is, first off, I'm going to power this back off again because there's no SD card in here. Got it. But here's the thing. Again, I think the bonus is going to be the fact that I don't need to just power it, wait for it to do the Bluetooth connection. Let's find an SD card. So here's one of the Insta360 SD cards. Not that you require one of those, just as long as it's fast enough. Here's one of their extended batteries. I'm on top of things, right? On top of things. So as soon as I power that on, you guys may be able to see, it should pretty much auto detect that it has that external mic connected. Yeah, boom, right? So that's slick. So I'm going to put this over here. Whoops. Just so you guys can see it. Okay. And face that toward me. You are actually hearing from this microphone, right? So that's good. So again, you can kind of know that it's recording from this microphone because if I were to spin around like I'm going to do right now, you shouldn't be able to hear it, or it would really kind of soften a lot. So if I were to get up, for instance, and walk over here and continue talking, I'm not going to go far. I just kind of go into the other room, which would be for me plenty far. I really have no need to go any further than that. So that's kind of nice. I got some stuff on the floor there. Let's bring that up. Anyways, again, just a quick test to see how this works. Now the GPS remote with mic is Bluetooth, right? So I think it has a little bit of time, but the bonus is, of course, you can control everything from it, including all the settings on the actual Insta360 camera. But with this actually allows you, of course, to kind of just what you call it, have it plugged in, and as soon as it turns on, it just connects, which is actually really good. It's just instant. So if you just had this on, and this should have enough power to last, like, I don't know, 6-7 hours would be my guess. More than plenty for a ride. So what I would do is I would just keep this on and make sure this, connects to it. Plus, depending on where you have it, that the power button itself is actually pretty easy to figure out. Now, the one thing I do want to look at, I don't know if I have a selfie stick around here anywhere. So I do have a selfie stick. So my curiosity is that if I were to connect this, because one of the things you'll notice is this sits out widthwise, right? So it is a little wider than the actual Insta360 camera. So let's say I had this out, right? Somehow I had this out. My goodness, what have I done? What have I done? Okay, it's just on really tight. That's fine. So let's say I had it out like this and I pointed down. I kind of just want to see if that gets in the shot at all, because I'm curious if it's in the shot. You guys should be able to see from that amount of footage if it is or not. The other nice thing that I like is that if you have this connected, it does have like a USB-C pass-through. Now, the actual receiver doesn't need to be powered because it is powered by the camera. But let's say you're doing a long interview or something like that, you could plug in your USB-C cable, like, let's see here, like this, right? And just plug this in. Time, right? It's actually still charging while it's doing this. Now, at this point in time, would this cable get in the shot? Yeah, and I would probably want to make sure that if I was filming myself, that I turned the receiver around so that the cable was floating out the back. Or of course I could just turn the camera around like this. You have some options, but because the USB-C is not coming down, right, you may see that cable in the shot. So I would kind of use this for like that vlogging style, right? Or the plug-in part, right? So that part I would use for the vlogging style. And then of course you can unplug it, which is cool. Yeah, I think that's actually pretty good. You guys are hearing the quality. I haven't heard the quality. Again, we will do a follow-up test of this one. We may actually put it up against the GPS preview and mic remote just to see which one actually sounds better, or if there is any kind of difference in between the two. But other than that, you know what? I think that's all right. Yeah, I think that's all right. So I'm going to stop this recording. Click. And I'm going to stop this recording right away. But anyways, this is the Insta360 Mic Air. Does look like I said, it does have to use this as its receiver, which kind of makes sense. It's kind of Bluetooth paired to it. And I do like that the door, let's kind of rest on it. Not that it would matter, right? If this makes some shaky noise, you're not going to hear it because you're using this mic. But yeah, no, I'm down. It's probably good. It's probably good. I'm gonna take a listen. Again, you guys have heard it already. If you think it's exactly what you need, then I will leave some links down below. You guys can go check it out. Or if you're curious about the Insta360 cameras, again, links down below. They are affiliate links, so they do help the channel, but don't cost you any more. And sometimes you may even get an added benefit, a little bonus, which is sweet. All right, my friends, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you fine folks next video. Later.